Hello everybody, welcome to my channel for Love Beauty. I am here to show you my new digital camera. Okay, I've been using this camera all along that I've been videotaping. But I've been videotaping when I first started off with other different cameras. But up to now, I've been using this camera. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys my new digital camcorder. Okay, it is made by Canon. It is made by Canon, the same as this Canon. Okay, and all that comes in this box is, let me see. Yeah, I'm checking out my pamphlets, you guys. I've had this camera for a while, over a month, or maybe over a month or two. So this would be the first time that I've taken it out the box and, you know, pretty much using it. What comes in the box is your power adapter, which is, let me see, which is this. Okay, take it away from the light so it won't blind you. Okay, power adapters. Your battery pack, which is this. I'm going to have to let it charge. Okay. The USB cable, which is this. This right here, I'm sorry. Is this right here. And it has the stereo video cable, which is this right here. Okay, it's 2 in 1 package. I was getting ready to get upset because I didn't see my USB cable, so it was all in 1 pack. Okay, it also comes with the CD-ROMs. It comes with 3 of them. Okay, and it comes with your 2 booklets, pamphlets, and your registration card right here. Okay, which I already done registered. And this is the camera right here. My new digital camcorder by Canon. Okay, it opens up. Here's the window here. You know, you can rotate it. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay. You have your little grip here. I guess this is where you mash the button to record. It has a 41, I guess, optical zoom. Focus really well. Let me see. This is the button to take your photo with. This is to zoom in and zoom out. This is your power button. Okay. I'm going to have to get used to this little camera. This is your speaker, I believe, right here. Okay, this is where the battery goes in at. and you put your little card right here, your little flash card right there. And let me see, your okay, this is where you sit the camera on your tripod right here. And that is it. I just wanted to share this with you guys. My new digital camcorder by Canon. Okay, you guys. Oh, another thing, the reason why I got digital camcorder is because you know how you have to, with your regular camera, you have to have a mirror behind it so that you can pretty much see yourself when you're videotaping. And you see how I'm bending over now, leaning over to try to see myself in the camera instead of me talking directly into the camera, but I just want to make sure that I'm focused in the picture. So now I don't have to do that by me, you know, videotaping myself, and I can watch myself here. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.